Muito bom. Pode respirar bem fundo. Deixa o ar sair. Solta. Ótimo. Respira fundo. Solta o ar. Solta. Relaxa, não. Perigo nenhum. Relaxa o caminho. Ótimo.
Didn't completely clear out. Gonna go a little bit higher. Okay, relax into it. There we go. Let it drop right over my finger. A little further. There it is. Ease a few ribs off to the side here. There we go. Now we're going to come through the thoracic area. This will help quiet the sympathetic nervous system and turn on those hunter killer cells to get in there and help finish off whatever's inside your body. Yeah, it's real tight through your rhomboid. Okay, here we go. Ready? There it goes. Good job.
All the way. Beautiful. One more deep breath. All the way out. There it is. Sorry, Missy. All the way out. Relax. Beautiful.
Oh my god.
My goodness.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Sorry.
That is awesome. No, you can react like you're supposed to. One more. Oh my goodness. Take a deep breath. We found one. All the way out. Good job, man. Perfect. All the way out. Perfect. Good. And the other side?
I heard it crack.
Oh yeah, I felt it crack. All right, Amber. Deep breath for me. Good. Perfect. Good. Every time you smell it. One more. Good. All the way out. Good. Good. One more. There you go. Yeah. See, you get headaches. That's why your upper back is tight.
Am I alive?
Yes, you're alive. One more. You're smiling. That's a good sign.
We're going to provide some general motion here into the thoracic spine. Very good.
Oh.
Good. Good. Perfect.
Respirou? Solta o ar, solta. Pode respirar bem fundo. Solta o ar, relaxa. Ótimo, muito bom. Vira um pouquinho sua cabeça, só um pouquinho. Isso, respira bem fundo. Solta o ar, solta. Ótimo. Só mais uma. Respirou? Solta o teu corpo. Solta. Ótimo. Baixa em cima do pouquinho. Solta. Ótimo. Ótimo.
Let's roll. Good.
Just let me have your hip right there. Just like that. So we're just going to get in here and gently relax your back there for me all the way. I got you. I'm not going to drop you. There we go. So breathe out. There, starts to go already. How's that leg? Is that hurting?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, good.